welcome to another video. For all those who don't know me, I am Jordan, and probably you guys are seeing the thumbnail of this video that I'm making a sandwich. And in this video, I am not just Jordan, I am Chef Jordan. So watch till the end and let's start. So now to begin with, I am going to introduce you to the ingredients. So first thing you need to make in a sandwich is 2 slices of bread and butter, lettuce leaves, cucumber, tomato, boiled potato and sliced cheese. And by the way, this is Amul butter, the taste of India, and it's not sponsored, okay? And let me start making our sandwich. So first I'll take butter in the butter knife. Take slice butter like this, and now I'm gonna apply it on the bread.
A few moments later.
So now I finish applying the butter on the two slices of bread, and now I'm gonna cover, at least I'm gonna put 2 lettuce leaves. And if you're wondering where I learned to make this sandwich, I learned this from my 2nd grade teacher, Chandana ma'am. She was very kind and patient enough to teach us, and thank you ma'am, and I'll miss you a lot. Okay, so this is enough of putting lettuce leaves. You can just put 2 or 3. Okay, now now we have to put the cucumber. So cucumber goes like that, and actually you have to put 4 slices of cucumber there. Okay, now I put the cucumber. Now you have to put the tomato, 4 slices of tomato again. Okay, now I finish applying the tomato. Now you have to put the cheese. This is sliced cheese. I'm using sliced cheese. Oh, I forgot, I have to put boiled potato first. I got confused there. Sorry guys. Okay, now you have to put 4 slices of this. I'll take a proper slice. Okay, now I put 4 slices on there, and now I'm going to put the cheese, the sliced cheese. Oh, it's breaking. Okay, it's opened. Now I have to take it out and put it on the top. Don't put it here because then it will not taste good. You have to put it right on the top. I'll remove it from the packet. Okay, I'll keep that there, and I'll put it right there, and our sandwich is done. And the final thing is to cover it and put it down. And one more, ketchup. You have to put ketchup. You have to not put ketchup in the front, in the inside. You have to put it outside, like a smiley face. I like to put smiley face on there, so I put a smiley face. Okay, there, 1, 2 eyes. Okay, and 1 smiley face. It's hard. I need to make it to come down. Okay, now smiley face, smiley. Oh my god, this is so hard to put. Oh my god, I put a lot. I think that's enough. Yeah, this okay. So now we have to try it, and hope if you want to make it at home, please try it. And I really love this, so let me try it if I liked it or not. And you also can try to make this. That's why I made a sandwich video. Nice. And if you want to put the sauce on the top or down. You can do whatever you want. You're making it. And please watch my other videos too. My gaming video, my singing video, my basketball video. If you not watch them yet, please watch them. And please like this video if you liked how you made the sandwich. And see you all in the next video. Show your love. Masalama. Peace.